In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to connect your Thrivecart account to Flodesk so that your Thrivecart customers can automatically get added to your Flodesk email marketing software in just a few clicks. This is honestly super simple. So if you head into Thrivecart, you've obviously got your products set up, and what you want to happen is that when someone buys one of these products, they automatically get added to a segment in Flodesk. So first, you're going to want to go into your audience in Flodesk, into segments, and create a segment for that product. So I'm going to call this my in-demand kit. Select a color and click save, and that has added the segment to your Flodesk account. Now Flodesk and Thrivecart have a native integration together, so it could not be easier to connect the two tools. Either you can go into Flodesk and integrations and then search for Thrivecart and just switch that on. It will open a pop-up asking you to sign in to Thrivecart and enable the connection. Or you can also do it in the Thrivecart way round as well. So go into integrations in Thrivecart and just search for Flodesk. You should see it here, and it'll give you the option to add integration. Again, that will open a pop-up asking you to log into Flodesk to connect the two tools, and you just follow a couple of steps in that pop-up to authorize them. Once they are connected, and you can see this is switched on and connected, and it's showing that you've got Flodesk here in your integrations in Thrivecart, you can just head into your products, go into edit the product, go to the automation tab, and you can see I've got a few already set up here, but if you don't, that's fine. Just click on add rule. And what we want to happen is when this product is purchased, and you can actually have it set up to do different automations for different pricing options if you like. So you could add people to different segments in Flodesk based on what pricing option they selected. But if you just want any pricing option for this product to be added to Flodesk, then you just stick with that. Then you can select Flodesk from your integrations list here. It will probably say custom HTML as the default option here. So you just need to click on that drop down and select Flodesk, and then it will let you select any pricing options, use Flodesk, and what we want to happen is add the customer to a segment. So that's all set up correct, and then you can choose your segment from the list below. Now I've got loads, but I'm going to select the one that we just chose. Just click save, and that will add it to your automation rules here. Again, I've already got these set up, and that is all you have to do. What you might want to do is run a test though, which you can do in Thrivecart if you go into the product tab up here for your product and just select test mode. Click save and go to the URL, or go to your checkout page, fill in all the payment details. It will give you like dummy card details to fill in so that you can then click buy, and it will run the purchase as a test. No money will actually get spent, but you can then go into Flodesk and see in your segments whether your email address that you just did that test purchase with has been automatically added to your segment, and hopefully it has. And that is all you need to do. You just want to do that for each of your products. So set up the segments in your audience section in Flodesk, and then go into each of them into the automation tab and add it as a rule where they get added to the correct segment in Flodesk.